Here's the number one tool you need for making a drawstring ponytail: a large round drawstring net. Yours doesn't have to be round, but I prefer using round nets when sewing around the perimeter. On this net, avoid sewing on the side with extra material sticking out like this. Instead, sew on the smooth side for a clean, polished finish. This is a nylon thread, and I use it in the bobbin for the bottom thread. This is the lighter thread for the top spool holder. Let's not forget our sewing ball pins. I'm using a 16-inch 4C weft hair extension for this video. I will be sewing in a zigzag pattern on this net all the way up, then I'll go around with the weft. I believe securing your weft on the net with a pin before sewing gives a neat finish. For this first line, I'm keeping the weft short and positioning it between the drawstring cord before pinning it down and sewing. To begin sewing, make sure to close off and secure the weft on the net by sewing forward and backward. This helps prevent your tracks from loosening. Avoid sewing too close to the edges, as this can make it difficult to add the final weft on the perimeter. It may also catch onto the drawstring cord, requiring you to undo the stitching to pull the drawstring and create the gathered effect. Basically, I'm flipping the weft over, pinning it down, and continuing to sew. This makes the process faster and easier. I'm using a little over 1 bundle of this wefted hair to make this ponytail. I am done sewing. I will go ahead and trim off the excess threads for a clean finish. It's finally time to sew around the perimeter. I'll secure the weft close to the cord before sewing. Remember not to sew too close. You want the drawstring to gather neatly when you pull it. If you feel like your ponytail needs more volume, here's a simple way to add extra hair. It's basically about adding wefts between the tracks. It's time to secure the ponytail. I will be adding these wig combs to it. I personally prefer them over clips. The ponytail is ready, but it still needs to be washed and detangled. Let's go ahead and co-wash it. I am running warm water into the sink and using Aussie conditioner. First, I will fully immerse the ponytail in the conditioner. Once it's fully coated, I'll finger detangle until my fingers glide smoothly through the strands before combing. In most cases, I only finger detangle, but for the purpose of this video, I will use a wide tooth comb. For the final rinse, I do a light rinse to leave some conditioner in the hair. Fully dry and ready to be used or sold. Thanks for watching. If you're new, please subscribe to my channel to support me and encourage more frequent videos.